So let's say that you want to capture the desktop video as whatever you're doing on screen, or you want to record gameplay. Then you can use the game settings right over here to record whatever you're doing on screen, which is built in onto Windows 10. So to access the settings, I'm going to go over here onto Windows. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to settings right over here. And then from settings, I'm going to go to gaming right over here, as you can see. So over here, you can see that there's Gamebar as an option right here, which is on right here. So it is helpful to record gameplay clips, screenshot, or even broadcast your game if you want to broadcast your game through Twitch or YouTube or any other platform. So you can go on to captures right over here, as you can see as well. So this is where all the captures are saved in right over here. There's the broadcasting options, which you can see, so you can improve the quality and so forth. So depending on what you want, it can be helpful for broadcasting your game. Game mode is there. So if you want to make your gameplay smoother, it'll manage the resources for you as best as it can if this is turned on as well. And there's the networking option over here as well. So let us go back to Gamebar. So it says that to open up the Gamebar right over here, you can actually press Windows key plus Z. So if I were to press Windows Z, it'll open up the Gamebar, as you can see right over here. So you have the capture option right here. You have the audio option on how you want to record it and so forth. So this can be used not just for recording games, but for your regular records as well, as you can see right over here. So let us exactly do that. So it says the record option. To start and stop recording, it's Windows Alt R. So I'm going to press Windows Alt and R right over here, and it'll start recording, as you can see right over here. So you have the recording option, which is turned on right over here. So whatever you're doing on screen right now, it's being recorded, as you can see right over here. So once you want to stop the recording, you press Windows Alt R again, and it'll stop recording right over there, as you can see. So it is starting to record, as you can see right over there. And once you want to stop recording, you press Windows Alt R again, and it'll stop recording. So now what you can do is you can access that out right here. You can access everything in the capture section right here. Let me just stop it from right over here. And then if you were to go over here on to open folder, what will happen is that you have everything recorded, as you can see right over here. So you can see that whatever I'm doing on screen, I can that has been recorded by using the game controls, just like that, as you can see. So that's something that you can do by using the Gamebar itself. So it is very helpful if you want to record games, or even something that you're doing on screen, or you want to broadcast you playing the game. So this is fairly a new feature, but a useful one.